Hi guys, so here I am again today on the day that I didn't want to get out of bed and look horrible, but I have tons of time to make videos. So I'm gonna make some vitamin C pills today. I am giving these to my friends in their winter wellness kit, and they are a real vitamin C pill, better than anything you can buy. And I will talk about why as I mix. For now, I'm just gonna put the stuff in there and start mixing because I think it'll take a bit. So I am using some Amla powder. Amla is one of the #1 vitamin C herbs. I'd say it is probably. And so I use 2 tablespoons of that, and then some Acerola powder. So I was going to tell you about both of these herbs separately, but really, because they both are vitamin C powerhouses, they really pretty much do the same thing. So all I'm going to do is take this and add some honey to it. I'm going to go a little bit at a time. Just enough that it's going to form a dough. I don't even barely want it to be sticky. So with that 4 tablespoons, I'm going to try maybe a half a teaspoon to start off with. That might even be, we'll see. And I'm just going to keep stirring this up with my fork till we get kind of a thick dough. So Amla and Acerola are awesome vitamin C powerhouses. They used the Acerola to treat scurvy back in the day when people didn't get enough vitamin C because you couldn't get oranges in winter. They have tons of antioxidants, which is great for aging, helps you fight those free radicals in your body. Vitamin C will help prevent heart disease, like hardening of the arteries. Keeps everything soft and pliable, as it should be. Add another half a teaspoon of honey. So this pill is going to be better than any pill that you could buy for quite a few reasons, but mainly because ascorbic acid or citric acid, which is usually what you get when you buy a vitamin C pill, isn't really vitamin C. It's a component of vitamin C. I'm going to put them all up on the screen right now. So, as I stir. So, as you can read or see, vitamin C is not ascorbic acid or citric acid. It is made up of all kinds of things. Rutin, bioflavonoids, something they call factor K, factor J. So when you're only taking one piece, it isn't really doing what vitamin C does. There are some people who would say a vitamin C pill of ascorbic acid really isn't doing anything for you. I'm not a doctor, so I can't vouch for that, but it's possible. I think anything made in a factory rather than a real food probably is doing a lot less for you, at the very least, right? So I got about a teaspoon in there so far, and it's coming along. I'm gonna add probably another half a teaspoon, and I think we might be there. I'll show you what it looks like. It's getting to be kind of like what do they call that when you, like a pastry almost, when you use a pastry cutter with butter and your flour to make a pie crust. It's about how it's looking now. So, just gonna keep mixing here. What else can I say? There was a few things that Amla is good for that Acerola isn't. Amla is good for diabetes. It helps lower your blood sugar. They say it actually helps with the pain of a sore throat. house. And it's good for your liver. So, all right, so this is what I got after about probably 3.5 teaspoons of honey. It's like Play-Doh. So I'm just gonna take little hunks of this, pretty small, because it's not good. You don't need a lot. One Amla berry, the superfruit, has 100, which is small, like a cherry, already has 135% of your vitamin C. So, and this is dehydrated, so it's even denser. So I took them and then I rolled them in some, I don't know if you can see that, rolled them in some orange peel powder that I made. So they're probably maybe about the size of a pea. So I'm gonna sit here and roll these and dip them in my powder, and then at the end I'll tell you how many I got. So I'll check back in a second. So I rolled and I rolled and I rolled, probably maybe 10-15 minutes. This is what I got, probably about 60 little vitamin C pills. So I'm gonna let them, maybe 60 to 100, I didn't count them. I'm not gonna count them. I'm gonna let them sit overnight and dry out, and then we will put them in a tin tomorrow with a cute little label to give to everyone. So they're sitting in a little orange peel powder still. I figured, why not just let them sit in it? Only more of it can stick. So we'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll see how they look. All right, so I lied. I said I was gonna let them sit till tomorrow morning, but I forgot I have to work tomorrow. I am thinking I'm off forever because it's been Christmas break and I've been off. Everybody's been off. But all my family left tonight, which is really nice because they've been driving me crazy because I'm used to getting a little time by myself. All right, so I got these cute little tins, 2-inch tins. I'm gonna put about 20 in each tin. I have them, I divided them into little piles. Well, you weren't looking, I'm sorry. And I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piles. So I'm just gonna, it's about 22. So that means I actually got like 140 little balls. So that's nice. It really isn't filling up the tin, but I didn't want to use anything smaller because the label on the back. So it has some information about it, and I wanted to have something big enough to put information. But there, I don't know if I can tip it so you can see it. It's pretty full. I think it's all right. So there we go. I made some cute labels with my April's Apothecary on there. And then, so I got a front label, April's Apothecary vitamin C pills. And then it says what's in there. And then on the back, I have another, like a little description. It says, take 1 to 3 pills per day for a quick boost of vitamin C when you feel something coming on. Unlike the pill you purchase at the grocery store, this all-natural supplement has all the components of vitamin C. If you take that ascorbic acid pill, you're only getting a small part of the whole. Vitamin C is great for your immune system, as we all know, skin, hair, and many other things, but it has to be the real deal. And this pill is made from 2 of the most powerful vitamin C powerhouses on the planet. So that is going to go in my winter wellness kit that I'm going to give everybody for Christmas, even though it's past Christmas now, but that's okay. I told them I still needed to work on it. I'm a little late sometimes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, you can subscribe to my channel. Eventually, hopefully, my husband's going to get going on getting a website up. So if you think these vitamin C pills sound good, you can purchase them. if you're too lazy to make them, as I am sometimes with some stuff. I buy some stuff and I make some stuff, and sometimes it's nice to just try it and not go through the trouble of making it till you know if you like it. That's how I feel. Depends on though. All right, so we'll see you soon. Have a great night. Bye.